What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Watch me go from that to this in a matter of minutes. Like, comment, subscribe before you watch this video. I will be having a lash giveaway. Bitch can't talk today. I will be having a lash giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe, like, and comment, girl. Let's get to it. So first I'm gonna go off by parting my hair because it's too much. So I'm back and my hair is parted into two sections and I just moved the other one out the way. Okay. So today's product will be Gorilla Snot. Yeah. And we'll be using the Cantu styling gel. So don't mind me, I was listening to music. So what I do first, I just part like half of my section and put some gel down just to get that flat surface. And you're gonna see that now. So you want to make sure it's flat. So you want to comb this product through. Some people can't comb, so they might need a brush. I put some black gel, pro style gel, black gel, and I just worked that on the top of that. Oh, what happened to my voice? Okay, and I just worked that on top of that Gorilla Snot. Excuse me, y'all. Next, we'll be using the 24-hour edge tamer to tame these edges, baby. Yes. Swoop them edges. Swoop. 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 So next, I'm going to put some product on my hand. I don't know why I put that much Jesus. And we're going to start braiding. And you're just going to see what's going on. This is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I do my 2 fit-in braids. Keep on watching. Okay, now you're seeing me braid my hair all the way down to the end. I will not be dipping this in hot water. Stay tuned to the end to see what I do to seal my ends of my 2 feed-in braids. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my edges again once I'm done braiding. The other side, I'm not going to do the edges first because this is pointless. You're just wasting your product. So you're going to see me not do my edges first. I'm going to do that last because we don't need to waste this product, baby. This is good product, okay? So now I'm just perfecting my braid and perfecting my edges and getting this thing together, you know? See? I'm gonna go to the other side. See? Struggling. After I get that ponytail out, I just detangle my hair. I detangle with coconut oil. It's Butcher Boy coconut oil. I get it from the Dollar Tree. You're welcome. Then I'm gonna go around my edges, or not my edges, the sides with some real snot. I don't know what I'm looking for. Probably the comb. Okay, I found it. Okay, so we're gonna comb that through. Okay, so we're gonna do like we did on the last side, and we're gonna part this section off, and we're going to put that Gorilla Snot through my hair so we can get that flat surface. So now, look at it. Look at my little curls, girl. Okay, so now we're gonna start braiding. And yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all see. I'm not gonna be talking, doing all that talking. Don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm just going to braid this all the way to the end, and we're going to get ready to seal these ends. Stay tuned. And I'm finished, girl. I'm finished. And we finna get ready to do these ends. So we're gonna take this Gorilla Snot that I have, and we're just gonna go down the ends of this hair, and you're gonna cut off the excess just to make the two braids the same length. And you're gonna see me go down the second braid. I only suggest doing this on 2 braids, maybe 3 or 4, but not more than that. Cause no, girl, no, go dip that in some water. But if you just got 2 braids, then you know this can work. So this is my look. Let me know how I did. If you're gonna try this, tag me in it. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you feel. Subscribe. Thank you. And I just went in with some string and just put some string on it just to give it a little, you know, just be different. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said. Let me know how you feel about this style. Let me know if you like it. This was not a tutorial. I was just showing you guys how I do my 2 braids. And stay tuned for my last giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.